Hi, I'm DevRow, and welcome to the 18th devlog. The music in the background is because I forgot to add the music in the main menu. So as you see, there is a new main menu. We will now look at this map, which is fairly detailed and shows you what the islands will be about. If you look closely, you also see the box-to-puss, dangerous creature in the worklings world. So this is what I did. I also did a lot of bug fixes, and I started on a save and loading system, but we can talk later about this. This was important because depending on your last played save game, it will load the unlocked islands, which will pop out of the map when you have unlocked them. So as you see, the load button is now active because we now work on the load system, which is good because the campaign takes some time and maybe you don't have a lot of time and you don't want to make one playthrough, so saving makes sense in this case. It is a beautiful load button, isn't it? I like it. So yeah, and then when we click new game, this also changed slightly. Here we go in single player. Yes, multiplayer is gone for now. It's on the back burner. And now we look at the island and the specifics. We see the name of this island. This is Tuto Island. It's a small island in the middle of nowhere. Rumors say they're sheeps, which is true. Then we also see which kind of workling lives there. In this case it's reglings. Reglings have so much in common, like they all are stranded on an island and don't have socks. On the left you see an empty page for now. This will show you in the future the progress that you made so far on the island if you resume to playing. It will show you how many worklings you have, how much quest you have finished, how many buildings you have built, and how many secrets you found. And this is about it. This is the new map selection. On the bottom you can accept, left, right to change the island you want to play. And then we can actually start already. So this is our new loading screen. Yes, there's a loading screen now. It works. It has a little information on the top right. It will change the background. This is just a placeholder, but I thought because it's so fast, we show it. Back to the game. The character selection on the first game start will still be. It won't be here if you load the game, of course, or if you start any of the other maps. That is not the start of the campaign because you chose your character once and then you play with them. There's no difference between the characters. I got asked this already, so I wanted to clear this. There's no difference if you play with Bob, Lily, or I forgot the other guy. I will definitely look into this. This is very important information. Over the last days or the week, because I am now back to working half-time on this project, I came along to do a lot of bug fixing. I can show you like 2 of them. There are also 2 new buildings which are now available. One is the new house, which is a bigger house that spawns 2 families. And the other building is the florist, which now works. So you can produce your own decorations. I also added 2 new of those reglings or worklings in distress, and I fixed the spawn of the worklings when they come out of school. So now they will just pop out of the school. I'm still working on the special effects. I want to have like fireworks, but for now they just fly out of school because they can't wait to join the workforce, as we all did after school. The kicking is now fixed because there was usually a bug where if you kicked a workling and you kicked another one, the first one would still get kicked. The resource kicking now works perfectly. That has had a similar bug where every resource stack would get kicked on the map, which is not good. This is about what I can show for now. There's still some secrets I work on, some stuff I will show next week. I primarily will now do the saving and loading, because that's an important part of the 1.0 version. We are closing in, not at the goal. There's still some bugs, some cut content that needs to get back in, but overall, that's the progress for this week. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something. I hope you keep up to date. Start your game dev journey today, drink some water, and I catch you all next time. Bye bye.